Oo nga pala, nakalimutan ko to. Okay, I promised you guys to compare Enzo Eclat and then HSI Motivational Eclat. So, eto na nga yung comparison nila. So, when we are talking about Eclat, we are talking about being citrusy, aquatic, ozonic, and somewhat floral during the dry down. So, I think that's the reason why maraming nagkakagusto kay Eclat and maraming interested sa kanya since it's a good everyday and summer fragrance. So, let's talk about pros and cons. Let's start it with the Andresen. Ito yung pinakaunang Eclat ko na inspired and ito yung dahilan kung bakit ako bumili ng Eclat because I think this would be a good summer everyday fragrance. So sabi ko, okay, meron ako inspired. I like it. Bibili ako ng OG. This is the reason why I bought it. And so far, all I can say, this is the closest I've tried so far based on scent. The only cons that I can think, maybe there's two. One is that the opening is amoy alcohol talaga siya. Maybe because it is a citrusy and aquatic scent. So, talagang magiging amoy alcohol siya sa una. Sa una lang, okay? And then, upon dry down, dun mo na maamoy yung pagiging citrusy, floral niya, and somewhat aquatic. The other cons that I'm talking about with Enzo is dahil yung longevity niya, around 2 to 3 hours lang, pero ganoon din yung projection niya. And then yung projection niya is medyo maliit lang, as in kailangan mo talagang lumapit. Hindi siya tulad nung ibang fragrances na ang loud. And dito papasok si HSI Motivational Eclat. So far, medyo hindi siya ganun kalapit. Let's say around 90%. Pero I think binago nila kasi medyo mas aquatic yung amoy ni Eclat ni HSI. And then the good thing about HSI Eclat is that hindi man ganun ka-close, pero yung longevity and production niya is medyo mas nangingibabaw. Yung longevity niya sa akin, nagkatagal sa akin na around 4 to 5 hours, knowing na maaraw yun. Yes, I just tested it and mas gusto kong gamitin ito, si HSI Eclat, kasi yung projection niya medyo malakas din. As in, maaamoy ka talaga. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng room, let's say walang amoy yung room, pagpasok mo, maaamoy ka agad nila. Ganun siya. I've tried and tested it so far. Kay HSI, hindi ko pa na-try yun. Pero kay Eclat, yes, na-try ko na. So, yun nga. Lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, nagpabungo ka ba ulit? Sabi ko, hindi pa magre-display kasi wala akong dala. So, yun yung experience ko kay HSI Eclat. So far, if you're looking for the performance, for the juice quality, I would go for the HSI Eclat. Pero if you're looking for the closeness kay Enzo and then respraying doesn't bother you, then go for the Enzo Eclat. So, yun lang naman guys. If you have any more questions, do you have any fragrances that you want to compare, just comment down below and try kong gagawa ng content. At least yun, nakagagawa ng content, di ba? But yeah, as always, I'm being honest. Yun yung observation ko and yun yung experience ko sa mga fragrance na to. Just comment down below kung ano gusto nyo mga tanong and sasagutin natin yan. Gagawa tayo ng mga video. Basta magagawa ng video, di ba? Yun lang guys. As always, peace. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're interested, since alam nyo na yung problema ko, just go to the yellow basket and then purchase if you're interested or if nagustuhan mo nga ba talaga siya. Yun lang, peace.